Welcome back to another See Sean Scrapbook video. Today I'm going to talk about drop shadows in the Project Life app. Drop shadows is one of the things that you can set your preference on if you go into the green section of the app and then down to preferences. This option at the bottom is to turn your pocket drop shadow either on or off. Off is what it's set at right now. You can just tap on it to turn it on or off. But let me explain a little bit what a drop shadow is. In your card slots on your template, a drop shadow will add a slight outline around the edge of that pocket. If you turn the drop shadow off, that slight line will not be there. Let me show you an example here. Here's a page that I made that has the drop shadows turned off. Now, the drop shadow really comes into play when you also have your page background set to a color that matches the color that kind of bleeds off the edge of your card. So I have a white background set here, and all these cards have some white portion on them that bleeds off the edge. If I zoom in here, you can see there's not a line anywhere where you can tell where the boundaries of that particular pocket stop and start. So let me go and then show you a page that has drop shadows turned on. And here you can see the outer edges of each of those cards is clearly outlined. So that's what the drop shadow is. It's that very outer edge that marks the boundary of your page. Let me show you a colored example. Here's a page. This is the Bloom kit. I've chosen the corresponding orange background for the Bloom kit here on the top. If you don't know how to choose background colors, click on this top left 3 lined button and all your kits show up there, and the background page options are for that kit are noted by the little circles. So this page has an orange background, and then I've used, let me zoom in here, cards that have orange on them, and you can see here the drop shadow is turned on. You can see the boundaries of those cards. But then if I show you this page that I made with the drop shadows turned off, see, now we have a seamless little orange block there in the middle. Sometimes that's kind of fun to make a page that looks like, a solid sheet rather than a page that's broken into sections. So again, how to turn drop shadows on or off. Go into the green section of the app, tap on preferences, and then toggle that on or off. On will be a blue filled in little button there. Off will be a white button. Now here's the thing with drop shadows. You can't switch mid-page. Whatever your setting is when you start your page is what the page is going to be, either drop shadows on or off. If you want to turn them on or off, whichever, you have to start or go into your preferences, set it, we want to turn them on, and then begin your page from scratch. And you can pull in, let me show you, this one is a white card, so you can see it's got that drop shadow on around the edge for each of these cards that also have a white kind of a portion to them. So that's how drop shadows work. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.